Hello everyone! So for today we will be looking at how to build a pulley system. Now a pulley system is like a wheel with a rope around it, and you use it to lift heavy things by pulling on the rope. For today we're going to be building a pulley system that shows mechanical advantage, and all that mechanical advantage means is you can lift something heavy with less effort because the pulley makes it easier to lift. Now, whenever you build something, the first thing you need to look at is the materials that you will need. For this, we will definitely be using recycled and pre-used materials. Otherwise, the following materials on the screen you will need to gather. For our first step, you will be using your compass with a pencil attached to it to draw out your circles. Now your circles need to be a 6 centimeter diameter. You can do this by placing your compass next to a ruler and then measuring out the 6 centimeters. You will need to do 12 of these circles since we will be sticking them together. Once you've drawn all 12 circles, you can cut them out with a scissor. Once you have cut out all of your circles, you can take your glue. For this project, I am using a hot glue gun, and yes, the hot does mean it's warm, so parental guidance is advised. Take 2 of your circles and place glue on the one circle so that you can stick it onto the other circle. Make sure they line up nicely before sticking. And repeat this process with all 12 circles so that you have 6 fully formed circles. Cut a toilet roll into half so that it has a 3 centimeter width and a 3 centimeter diameter. You will need 3 to make your 3 pulleys. Take one of your cylinders and apply glue at the top so that you can stick it onto your circle. Do this as well on the other side, and then it will look like this. This will be your first pulley then. Next up, take your skewer and pulley, and at the top of your circle, push your skewer through. Now this might be quite tough, and later on you will see I started using an X-Acto knife just to make a small cut. And what you will be doing is you will be pushing your skewer straight through both circles. See, there's the little hole, and I'm trying my best here. Okay, almost through. Then let's see. Okay, there, I finally got it in the end. And this is how it will look. You can move it through forwards and backs a bit so that it can be a bit looser, but there we go. You can do this with all 3 of your pulleys, and then maybe make a Wolverine claws. To make the brackets of the pulley, I pushed them through at the distances I wanted them from, and basically what I did was I made them 10 by 3 centimeters, 8 by 3 centimeters, and 6 by 3 centimeters. This is just so that there is that extra 2 centimeters that can be used to stick them to the structure. Next, I push through my bracket onto my skewer of my first pulley, and then I shortened the skewer so that it's about 4 centimeters long, and I made sure that they could move on both sides. And then I checked my bracket's length from the top of my box or my structure on both sides. This should be about a 2 centimeter gap at the top. I placed some old rubber bands I had on both sides of my skewers. This is to ensure that they cannot fall off while I am moving it, and also when applying the rubber bands, make sure there is enough space in between the rubber band and your pulley so that the pulley can still turn. Next up, apply some glue at the underside of your bracket there by the 2 centimeter folded pieces, and place your pulleys in the following areas. Now for my first one, this is upside down. This would be the 8 centimeter pulley. I placed it on the left upper corner, but here it's in the right lower corner. Your second pulley, the 10 centimeter one, is in the middle, and then my 6 centimeter pulley I placed at the top. So this whole thing is upside down, but this is how it would look. At the left upper corner and right upper corner of your structure, you can glue your 2 key rings, and this will be your exit and entrance points of your string. You can go ahead and thread your string as seen in the picture.